I'm TOSHI as a balloon artist. I am active in Japan. My main work is a hairdresser. I love creating and strategic balloon art. In 2012, I won the balloon art tournament called Twisters and became Japan's best. Thank you. So far, I have published 9 balloon art books. Balloon Life, Gold, Twister 2012, Twister 2016, Special Volume 1, 2. Super Dragon, Stuffed Animals, and Create. Okay. I have been holding a burnout classroom in Japan. In fact, I have an incurable disease called SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. Last year, my condition got worse and my range of activities narrowed. So I came up with the idea of making a recipe on YouTube. I can do it at my own pace, and the video will be watched by everyone in the world. That's why I show you how to make it on YouTube. If you are interested, please register my channel. Thank you for your watching. Bye!